Sellfy is a versatile e-commerce platform designed for creators looking to sell digital products, physical goods, or subscriptions effortlessly. It offers customizable storefronts, integrated payment systems, and various tools for marketing and analytics, making it ideal for dropshipping businesses. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at the platform's features, starting with its user-friendly interface. Sellfy allows you to design a personalized online store without the need for coding skills. The platform also supports integration with platforms like YouTube and Instagram, enabling creators to monetize their content directly. You can easily upload your products, set pricing, and even manage discounts and promotions all within the dashboard. Struggling to source reliable suppliers for your growing business? With Alibaba.com, you gain access to millions of verified manufacturers offering competitive pricing and global shipping solutions. Worry about quality? Our trade assurance protects your orders, ensuring secure transactions and on-time delivery every time. Registration link, bonus for new users, and many other useful links in the description. One of Sellfy's standout features is its seamless payment options, including Stripe and PayPal, ensuring your customers can purchase without hassle. Additionally, Sellfy's analytics dashboard provides insights into your store's performance, helping you make informed business decisions. If you're looking for a straightforward and effective way to start or scale your dropshipping business, Sellfy might be the perfect fit. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like.